So beautiful in Norway now. The spring is here, the temperature is 10 degrees and snow is melting and you can hear the birds singing and yeah, super great. I just been up this road, flying my drone and driving my Discovery, and it was a bit more snow than I thought, so yeah, a bit scary, and I forgot my backstrap. So yeah, stay tuned on this channel update. Hey guys, and welcome to another channel update. It's been a while since the last one, and there's a lot of things going on. The main thing is that I sold my Defender, and yeah, I'm guessing a lot of you is thinking, what? Selling the Defender? Are you crazy? And I have a lot of reasons why. I sold it, and I'm gonna make a separate video on that, explaining everything. But one of the reasons are the safety aspect of going overlanding in such a car, and also money and time. So yeah, but that's all coming in another video. Another thing, I got sick, so you can see the channel videos is about my Defender, the mechanics of it, because I lost my voice and I needed to edit some videos, and on those videos I was talking and they were ready to be made. So yeah, so I decided I can start on those while I wait for my voice to come back. So it's not fully back yet, but it's getting there. So since I sold my Defender, I got some money for that, and also sold all the parts that I have ordered for it, and I got some money for that. I didn't want to spend all of the money on this truck because I can't like not spend money on my family and use all my money on cars and overlanding with a good conscience. So I decided I will take half of the money that I earned from selling the Defender and all the parts and put it into investments, and then I can use the other half with my conscience clean. So yeah, so that's what's going on. So I sold the Defender, got some money, going to put half of that money into the Discovery, which is another news, is it's going to be my #1 overlanding rig. And I'm going to build it, so I'm calling it the Project Discovery. I'm going to use the hashtag on Instagram, so you can follow me there for that. And I'm going all the way down to the basics of getting it ready, resetting the whole thing, meaning that I can go on a trip and I know there's not going to be any faults, like regular faults at least. So I have to fix my brakes, a new set all the way around, fixing the emergency parking brake issue, and the other thing that I know is the EGR valves. I haven't decided if I'm going to change them or if I'm going to blank them, but it's not allowed to blank them, so I wanted to keep this car legal, so probably I'm gonna change them out. But I haven't decided if I'm going to do that myself or if I'm going to let a workshop do it yet. Yeah. So big things. So I want to reset the Discovery before I go on the next trip. Hopefully it won't take too long. Other big things, I ordered parts for the Discovery mods, and it's gonna be pretty huge. So I'm looking forward to the coming. There was a bit of a lead time on the production of the parts, so it's gonna take some time. So I have time to reset the car to the shape and standard that I want it to be in before I set off on the trip. Yeah. Another thing, there's new rules in Norway about flying drones since the 1st of January, and so I wanted to get my license. So you need to register the drone. You also need to register you register as a pilot, and you need to take an online course and an online exam for the open categories for A1 and A3. So with that in mind, I also have registered to take the exam for the open class or the class A2, which means I can fly closer to people. So there's a bit of stuff going on. This is nice. So I'm going out just to find a remote area where I can fly, because I have to fly the drone away from people and buildings with the open class certificate, yeah. Okay, I don't have my max tracks, so I don't want to do too much here. So see someone going through the gravel on the side there, so I'm just going to take it easy and drive slow on the highest point. I think it's going to be okay. It was pretty solid. Yeah, no stress. There's been a bit of a run out here up in on the left here, so I'm going to just keep on the right, and then it's going to be okay. Just the final hill until I'm on the top where I can turn around. So there's a bit more snow than I thought, but the tracks are holding in the sun. It's getting soft, so yeah. Oh, yeah. What I thought. So there's ice, so I'm sliding on the ice. I just need to get up this hill so I can turn around. It was way more snow than I thought it was going to be here. Hopefully it's more solid up this hill, so I can drive it. Come on. Come on. Almost up. My heart is beating so much. And I think it's because I haven't been out off-roading or driving at all in 2021. So there's yeah. So it's a hard ice layer underneath the snow. So if I go off that, I slide onto the side. Try and keep it on top of the ice. Pretty soft since the sun is beyond, but I think it's going. End of the road should be up here somewhere. Oh. This is super soft. Come on. Oh, that's close. Oh Lord, that's close. Too much. Yeah, it's just 100 meters and then I'm at the end where I can turn around. Going up here without any recovery gear is just stupid. So yeah, lesson learned. Trying to stay in the middle. Oh, I'm up. Yeah, definitely make me feel alive. So yeah, just gonna turn around and then fly some drone to give you an overview of the area, and then I'm gonna drive back down and yeah, go home again. It's not that much snow down here, so I think the worst is done. There was some soft spot further down where I put my foot through the mud, so I'm just wanna keep away from that. And yeah, well, that's why I was a bit scared driving here, because there also the dirt underneath was super soft somewhere. So yeah, but almost down now and on the solid ground. So yeah. Need to keep focus here so I don't go into the ditch on the right side here. I want to go into there. So far going pretty good. drone is working hard with this active track. You hear the beeping, it's the sensors. Looks like if you go pretty slow, it's pretty good. See on the right side here, you can see where someone has been bogged down. So this is where I was scared of the road going. Ooh, slow down, slow down. Drone, don't crash. Drone, don't crash. So there's a bunch of branches sticking out into the road. So, yeah, the drone went through. That's cool. So I think I can bring it to the off-road area or something, and then see if you can fly through, following along. That's gonna be some awesome shots. Yeah, but I'm down to solid ground.